just wanted to jump on here and talk about, how the Bible says, forgive them for they know not. Sometimes it can be hard sometimes to release people, release friends, release you, and forgive them and forgive you, forgive yourself. In the process of doing this work, sometimes a lifetime of doing this work, by the way, lifetime can be, depending on your traumas or how much baggage you're carrying. All of us carry some level of baggage. Don't be fools. And you can't tell me you don't, especially after the pandemic, right? After the pandemic, we all do. But forgive them and forgive yourself and give yourself so much grace.